Gary, how about at Illumio? We've got several agencies out there, sort of the vanguards that are implementing this capability. Why don't you give us a highlight on one of those?
Yeah, so the the agencies that are being the most successful, I think, are the ones that have done a couple of things. Number one is they've recognized, and we've heard this earlier in conversation, that they should be looking at solutions that fit well within other solutions that they've already deployed. Nobody can afford to just completely keep re-architecting, ripping and replacing, right? So they're recognizing the fact that they need to figure out how to make things work holistically together. So we've seen several agencies who have done a really good job of putting those requirements in place with other vendors that say, I don't want vendor lock, I want things that cooperate and graduate kind of thing. Um, and then the agencies that recognized that ideally you've got a platform, a zero trust architecture that is looking at everything, right? You got to worry about your traditional data centers. We've still got agencies that are dealing with mainframes. And on the other end of the spectrum, they've got cloud native things that they're dealing with, right? So that's a very broad spectrum. And then, oh, don't forget about these things called endpoints with, laptops and those types of things. So you want to be able to manage threats and protections across that entire gamut. And that's very important. And the agencies that are being successful are looking at these things as one big thing that they need to protect and not siloed in different pieces that they're trying to protect.
You have
Um,
to, go ahead, please.
Oh no, yeah. And then the last thing is, right, I think that what we're starting to see is, and we're responding to this request, is agencies saying, hey, you can't just tell me I've got these hundreds of thousands or millions of things to protect. And good luck. We'll give you some tools that'll help you protect them. But show me where to start. Give me some insight into where my weaknesses are right from day one, right? I want some immediate return on investment. I don't want you to tell me that it's going to take me 6 months or a year to get a return on investment on a new offering, a new product. But you need to show me real time value and show how you're helping increase my defensive posture from day one, right? Not 6 months later, not a year later. So these tools need to be adaptable and they need to be user friendly in such a way that users can get return on investment, almost instantly.